So hello everyone, welcome back to the data science program. In this video we'll study about the operators in Python. So I'll take you guys to the Google Colab notebook. So the first operator which we'll study is the arithmetic operator. So we'll study about arithmetic operator. So in arithmetic operators we do mathematical operations like plus, multiplication, division, subtraction, integer division, and we use the power like 2 to the power 6. So I'll just show you guys how to do that. Print first, you'll see 2 plus 9 and then print 35 minus 56. You can deal with large numbers. Python can handle large numbers, so you don't have to worry about that. Now we'll see any number multiplied by any number. Now we'll see print of and 4 divided by 20 and print 5 divide. This is integer division. I'll just teach you guys what is integer division and print. First of all, I'll just run till the division part, and I'll just run the cells. You can add numbers, you can subtract, you can multiply, you can divide, and now I'll show you guys about this integer division. So suppose we are dividing 5. This is the symbol for integer division. So this gives us the result as an integer. So suppose we are dividing 5 by 2. So a normal output would be 2.5, but since this is integer division, we'll get 2 as an output. So we'll run the cell and we'll get 2 as an output. So this takes us back to the previous integer. So we are getting 2.5, so it will take us back to the previous number, which is 2. It number like the third number. So now we'll see modulus 25, and this is a symbol for modulus, and 6. So this gives the remainder as the output. So we'll get 1. So 6, when you divide 25 by 6, so we'll get 1 as a remainder. So that is the output. And we'll see one more. Print of we'll see 2, and this is the power symbol, 2 to the power 3, and we'll get 8 as an output. So that's about the arithmetic operators. Now we'll study the second type of operators, which is the relational operators. Relational operator. So relational operators, basically what it does is it is used to compare numbers or any value. So under this we have relational operators like less than, greater than, less than equals to, greater than equal to, equal to, not equal to. So I'll just show you guys. Print 2 greater than 3, print 2 less than 3, print 2 less than equal to 30. You can take any number of your choice. Print 20 greater than equal to 40. Print, I just take small numbers. Understanding with small numbers is easy compared to if you are like seeing the large number. So I'll just take small numbers. I'll just take one number like 2 equal to 3, and print 2 not equal to 5. And now if you run the cell, we'll get the output as true and false. So 2 greater than 3 is false, 2 less than 3 is true, 2 less than equal to 30, so it is true, 20 greater than equal to 40, false, 2 equal to 3, 2 is not equal to 3, that means it's false, and 2 not equal to 5, which is true. So that's about the relational operators. Now the third operator is the logical operator. Logical operators, under this we have 3 types of operator: logical and, logical or, and logical not. So we'll see one by one. So suppose we are taking 1 and 0. So if one value is if one out of the two value is 1 and the other value is 0, so the output is going to be 0 only, because you just take those two number as a multiplication. So 1 multiplied by 0, so we get 0 only. And we will take 1 and 1, so here we'll get the output as 1 only, and print 0 and 0. Here we'll get 0 as an output. So we'll run the cell and we'll get the output as 0 1 0 0 1 0. So that's about this logical AND operator. Now we'll see logical OR operator. Logical OR operator, this is the symbol for logical OR operator. So we are taking 1 and this you have to write it in small letters, and OR both, and now just put 0. So if one value is 1 and the other value is 0, so that is taken as 1 only, so we'll get 1 as an output. Now we'll see one more. Print 1 or 1, here we'll get 1 only as an output. Print 0 or 0, here we'll get 0 as an output. So 1 and 0 will be the output. We'll get 1 and 0 as an output. So that's about logical OR operator. We have studied logical AND, logical OR, and we'll study one more NOT operator. So we'll print, and this is the symbol for NOT. Oh sorry, we don't have to use NOT symbol, we just have to type NOT and 1. I'll just run this cell. See why we are getting false as an output, because 1 is taken as true in Python, and the opposite of 1 is 0, and 0 is taken as false, so that's why we are getting false as an output here. So till now we have studied arithmetic and relational arithmetical operator, relational operators, and logical operators. Now we'll study the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator. So bitwise operator, what it does is it performs binary, it operates on binary values basically. So suppose we are comparing 2 and 3, so first what it will do is it will convert 2 into its binary form, 3 into its binary form, and then it will perform AND and OR according to the need. So I'll just show you guys first. First is binary bitwise AND operator. First we'll see bitwise AND operator. Bitwise AND. So bitwise AND, suppose we are printing 2, and this is the symbol for AND, bitwise AND operator, and we are taking 6. So see what will happen is we'll convert this into the binary form, 2 and 6 also to the binary form, and we'll do the AND operation what we have studied previously. So I'll just show you guys one picture here. See this is the binary bitwise what we are studying, sorry, this is the bitwise AND operation, bitwise AND operation. So this is the binary form of 2. So this is 8 4 2 1 code. So 8 is 0, 4 is 0, 2 is 1, that means we have 1 2, and rest is 0, that means the value is 2. So we have this binary value of 2. and this is for 6, the binary value for 6 is 8 is 0, 4 and 2 is 1 1, that means 4 plus 2 6, and then 1 is 0. So this is the binary representation of 2 and 6. Now we have this binary representation of 2 and binary representation of 6, and now we'll perform AND operation. So 0 and 0, 0 and 0, 0, 0, 0 and 1, 0, 1 and 1, we'll get 1, 0 and 0, 0. So that means the output of 2 and 6 is going to be 2 only, because we have only 2 here. So now if we try to run this, and we'll get 2 as an output. See, we are getting 2 as the output now. Same way we can I'll just create one more cell here. Just create one more cell. See, now I'll do bitwise OR operate. Bitwise OR. So bitwise OR, we'll try to print 2, and this is the symbol for a bitwise OR operator, and 6. So what will happen, first these two numbers will get converted into the binary form, and then we will have to perform OR operation. So whenever we are getting 1 and 0, that is taken as 1, 1 and 1 is taken as 1, and 0 and 0 is taken as 0. So I'll just show you guys this picture. See, if this is the bitwise OR operation between 2 and 6. So first 2 is converted into the binary form, 6 is converted into the binary form, and then we are performing the OR operation here. So 0 and 0, 0 or 0 is 0, 0 or 1 is 1, 1 or 1 is 1, and 0 or 0 is 1. That means we are getting the value, we will get the output as 4, because 8 is 0 here, 4 is 1, 1 times 4, and 2, that means 4 and 2 6, and this 1 is 0, that means we will get the output as 6. So now we will run this cell, and we'll get the output as 6. So this is bitwise OR operation. We have one more bitwise XOR operation. So I'll just create one more cell. So in bitwise XOR, what happens is, whenever you have a pair 1 and 0, that is taken as 1, rest is taken as 0. So bitwise XOR. So in bitwise XOR, what happens is, whenever you have 1 and 0 combination, that is taken as 1, and if 1 and 1 is there, that is taken as 0, and 0 is 0 is taken as 0. So I'll show you guys one more example. See, 0 and 0 combination is taken as 0, 1 and 0 is taken as 1. If 0 and 1, and that's what I told you guys, that if you have 1 and 0 combination, that is taken as 1, rest is taken as 0. So suppose we have seen this example. Suppose you forget about this 2 and 6. Suppose we are doing this bitwise XOR operation. So when you do the bitwise XOR operation, so 0 and 0 is taken as 0, 0 1 combination is taken as 1, that means here we'll get 1, rest will be 0 only. That means 8 4 2 1, we should get 4 as an output. So now if we try to run this cell, we'll get 4 as an output if we do the operation between 2 and 6. Print 2, and this is the symbol for XOR, and this 6, we should get 4 as an output. We should get 4. It's taking a bit of time, but eventually we'll get 4 as an output. So see, we are getting 4 as an output. And we have 2 more bitwise left shift and bitwise right shift. So I'll just teach you guys how to use print. Suppose what we are doing is 2, and this is left shift and 1. So what will happen is, this 2 will get converted into the binary form, and it will shift by 1 bit. And now if we try to run this cell, we'll get 1 as an output. So this is bitwise left shift, and we'll see print 2, and now we'll see a right shift. So this time it'll we'll convert 2 into the binary form, and then we'll shift towards right by 1 bit. Now if you try to print, see what we are going to, we are getting 4 as an output. So basically you don't have to remember everything. Basically you have function you can use directly in Python and you can get the output. You don't have to remember everything, but I'm just teaching you the logic how these operators works. So till now we have studied relational operators, arithmetic operators, logical and logical or logical not, bitwise operator, under that bitwise and, or, and not, XOR, and left shift, right shift. And we have one more, that is assignment operator. Assignment operator. We know how to create variables. Suppose we are creating a variable by the name of C, and we are keeping the value as 15. So now if we try to print C, so we'll get the output as 15 only. So here we know C is the variable, 15 is the literal, and here equal to is the assignment operator, and you can use it in a different way as well. You can add, subtract, multiply this 15 directly. So I'll just teach you guys how to do that. So you can do this plus equal to 5. So what we are doing here is we are basically adding 5 to this 15 value. So what we are doing here is, I'll just write a comment. What we are doing here is we are adding C plus 5, and we are storing it inside C only. So here we have the value of C as 15, and we are adding 5 to it, and we are storing it again to C, into the C value. So if you try to print C here, we'll get 20 as an output here. Print C, we'll get 20 as an output. See, we are getting 20. So that's about assignment operators. We have one more called membership operator. Membership operator. So in under membership operator, we have two operators, in and not in operator. Suppose it's a fancy way of checking whether a value is present inside a list or any type of data type. So I'll just show you guys in operator first. Suppose we are trying to print B in. You have to write in and not in small letters only, otherwise you will get error. B in Bangalore. And now if you try to print, it will give us true as an output. So we are getting true as an output because B is present inside Bangalore. And if you replace this B with capital B, you will get false as an output, because Python is case sensitive. See, we are getting false. You can use this membership operator, or you can first I'll show you not in. Print, this print has to be in small. Print, you can use not in as well. So we'll try Z not in Bangalore. So Z is not present inside in Bangalore string, so we'll get true as an output. So we should get true here. See, we are getting true. You can do the same with the list as well. I'll just show you guys. Print. Suppose we are taking a list here, and first we'll see 5 in. We are taking a list, and inside this list we are giving 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sorry, 5 and 6. So this 5 is present inside this list, so we should get true as an output. We'll get true as the output. See, we are getting true as the output. So that's about this membership operator. It's a fancy way. Actually, if you uh, go and code in different languages, so there you have to run a loop. Here in Python, it gives us the flexibility. You can just use this membership operator. It's pretty fast as well. So we don't have to like run loop and we don't have to go to each and every element to check whether it's present inside that list or not. So this membership gives us this facility, so it's pretty fast as well. So that's about this membership operator. And till now I'll just summarize everything. Till now we have studied arithmetic operator. Under that we studied plus, minus, multiplication, division, integer division, and this modulus. Then we studied relational operators, which is used to compare values. So we are under that we have less than, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to, not equal to. And then we studied about logical operators. Under that we studied logical and, logical logical or, and logical not. And then we studied about bitwise operator. Under that we studied bitwise and, bitwise or, bitwise XOR, and left shift, right shift, and not operator. And then we studied about assignment operators. So and then we studied the last operator, which was the membership operator. So that's about the operators in Python. This is not really a difficult topic. It's a easy topic only. So if you just try to code, you will understand this topic very quickly. You don't have to worry about that. These are like, since we are in the beginning part only. So from next video we'll try to write few programs, and we'll dive into Python in in depth. So that's about this video. I hope you guys like this video. Thank you for watching.